got me on my mind.
Whoa. Reloads 2 shells at whoa.
Oh, new shot.
Added to combat shotgun, semi-automatic, holds 10 shells, fires 9 pellets per shot, tight spread and fast fire rate, headshot multiplied 1. Reloads 2 shells at a time. Available in rare, epic, and legendary. Available from floor, chests, supply drops, and vendings. Adjusted attack shotty damage. It was increased. Attack shotgun's been buffed. Drum gun availability has been cut in almost 70%.
Oh my God.
Thank God. Pog for drum gun availability. Also, the boom bow is about half available as well. Unvaulted grenades. Wait, holy shit.
Oh my God.
Yes, they got rid of all the shitty loot. They got rid of all
God.
the fucking shitty loot.
Vaulted pump shotgun.
Vaulted clingers
the
again.
pump's gone.
Vaulted buried treasure. Buried treasures are gone. Vaulted pump shotgun.
Suppressed AR.
Vaulted poison dart.
Vaulted thermal
scope,
assault rifle.
Vaulted suppressed. Vaulted thermal. Vaulted balloons. Pog.
Wow.
Pog.
That's a lot.
Added a combat shotgun. Semi-automatic, holds 10 shells, fires 9 pellets. Tight spread and fast fire rate. Oh my God, dude. There's a new tac shotgun. Oh my God, bro. They upped the tactical shotgun damage? What? Reduced drum gun availability? Oh my God, that's huge, bro. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God, this patch is already the best. They reduced it, bro. Nice. Reduced boom bow availability as well. Oh my God, look, it's a lot rare. Unvaulted grenades. Oh my God, they vaulted clingers, vaulted buried treasure, vaulted pump shotgun. What? They vaulted the pump shotgun? They vaulted the pump? What? Vaulted poison dart, scoped revolver, suppressed assault rifle, vaulted thermal assault rifle, vaulted balloons. They vaulted the pump shotgun, bro. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how I feel about that.
Oh man. Oh! Test your might. Test your might. Mortal Kombat! Why isn't he building? Oh, he slipped down? I need to snipe him, chat. It's in my... Frick! Yes! Slay him! Oh.
Knocked one. Whoa, you get above. 2 seconds. Later. Dude, you and your Tommy gun, man.
Oh my God.
That was sick. That was fucking nuts, bro. I don't care.
Whoa. Got a blast. Supersonic mind, a mechanical canine. Ow! How you like me now? That guy did not see it coming. Bro, he did not see it coming.
Damn, that aim though.
Oh my fucking god! I've never actually freaked out before on this game. Holy shit! I've never done that ever on this entire game, ever since I started playing. Holy shit!
He's definitely hiding, probably in the racetrack.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, he's over here. He's ow, ow. All right, I'm gonna wait till everyone gets close. Wait till everyone gets close.
Yep, everyone hold, please. Is he building?
Hold,
is he
hold,
building
hold.
anything?
Yeah,
Okay.
he's built a couple walls.
All right, guys, are you ready?
Let's count it down.
Let's get a countdown for him on the execution.
2, 1.
Bring in the rain.
Lord, forgive me for my sin.
The decimation.
Oh, he didn't have a timing gun in his inventory, guys. He would have won otherwise.
Sure. Stop.
I'm mad. I'm actually angry. Ninja, I'll give you $500 if you clap these kids right now.
We can't build roofs, so they're just raining in bow shots.
Both TTVers. Someone please ban them.
Yo.
What?
Listen, are you ready for what's about to happen?
We're getting stream sniped. That's what's happening.
100%. We're gonna land. We're gonna get gunned.
I got one. Here you go. Ready? Zamar. You know, throughout my whole life, I've been pretty funny. And you know, some people are saying, Tim, you're so funny. You should be a stand-up comedian. And Zamar, to be honest with you, I would be a stand-up comedian. But I prefer sitting. Tim! Tim!
Hey, yo, Ninja. What's good? Your move.
I think someone's going for this launch pad. Yeah, he is.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my god,
Oh
dude.
my god! Oh.
You
Hey, yo,
didn't have to
Ninja
hurt
and
him like
Dakotas, what's up?
Baller delivery. So I can test my theory.
Do
There you
LAN
go.
parties at my place. I never went to any LANs for Halo, but I did go to like some Smash tournaments and was just that annoying.
Yeah, I got my ass beat!
Oh no, there's 3. Oh,
Yo, what is this? What is this? What am I watching? What am I watching? What am I watching? What am I watching, dog?
I thought I was the hero landing to save you.
Yeah. Chopper go stupid like a retard. Swipe them all down like a key card. Why you got so much in the cheat card?